Going on? Welcome back to Big Boy Tactical. Today's video is gonna be a little different. It is not about guns. This is how to properly connect your magazine carrier pouches that are MOLLE set up. How to properly set it up. As you can see here, you will see some people will do this where they have all of the pouches connected to all of the weaves straight down, completely missing this too. Here I started taking this one off so that I can do it properly so you guys can see how to do it. Some people say that this is okay to do it this way. I'd rather do it weave in and out. So since we already started with this four, we already put them through. Then we're gonna take it, we're gonna put it all the way down. We're gonna put it through the first set. So we're gonna go top and bottom, top and bottom. Now we gotta connect it. Now we're gonna put it through the second loop layer. And we're gonna pull it a little harder. And we're gonna go to the second layer on the magazine pouch. We're gonna pull it a little tight. That's 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna put it to the last weave. That's 1. 2. Three. And 4. We're gonna put them all the way out. We're gonna attach the bunch. We're gonna snap them back on. And to compare to the other one, it's straight up and down. We'll see the difference in how they feel and how they look. And in the comment section, you guys are gonna tell me what you think works better, what do you think feels better, and how do you connect your magazine carrying pouches on your plate carrier or whatever setup you have, or vest or LBE or load carrying gear. So here it is, straight up and down. Here is weaved in and out. What you guys think? Let's put in some mace and see how they look. We got some GI Max here. These pouches are for the C-Rest, the Marine Corps C-Rest. And these ones are made by American something. I can't remember to the top of my head. This is one of my friend's carrier for when he goes out to range. Now we're just checking it out to see how he did it. It's not bad, but yeah, it's a modular carrying medicine carrier. Not bad, but like I told him, I thought it was better if we went in and out. So again, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think. How do you think works better, in and out or straight down? Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.